Hello again. This time let's talk about C&F turbines. C&F turbines are the larger turbines that are suitable for large country houses and for farms, etc., as well as factories if they're in a suitable location. Now, to have a C&F turbine, you really do need to have a wind speed in excess of 4.5 meters per second. And an easy way of checking this is if the bushes and trees in your area tend to have most of their branches growing on one side, then you've probably got about 5.5 meters per second. And if the trees are actually sort of slightly leaning over, then you've definitely got about 6 meters per second, and that's an excellent wind speed to start with. Now, C&F turbines are slightly different from every other turbine on the market in that they have variable pitch blades. Now, this means that we start producing energy a lot sooner than all of our competitors. In fact, we produce more power than any other turbine on the market. And that's because of our variable pitch blades, which are like a sail at low wind speeds, so at just as much as 2 meters per second we'll start producing power. And as the wind picks up, the blades change their pitch and so start to fly through the air. So instead of being blown along, as most other turbines are, we actually create lift and pull ourselves forwards, flying through the wind. This means we produce power all the way through, and once we get up to our rated wind speed, we then control our speed by changing the pitch of the blades. This means we don't have any brakes on the turbines, no brakes to catch fire, brakes to brake, or brakes to fall apart. It also means we have a direct drive system, which means we don't have a gearbox to brake. And if you can imagine on some of the other turbines, the reverse torque on a turbine when it takes wind speed from 1 to 2,000 revs per minute is a tremendous amount of torque that can break a turbine. Now, you have no worries with our turbines breaking down, because when you buy one of our turbines, you take out a 10-year parts and labour warranty with us, and we take care of all the parts, all the servicing, all the monitoring, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We monitor your turbine, and if anything goes wrong, well, we repair it completely free of charge. It's all covered under the warranty. It also means that we constantly monitor your turbine from our control room, so if anything did go wrong, we'd probably be aware of it before even you were, and have a repair team on its way to you before you even realised you had a problem. If you'd like further information about C&F turbines, please get in touch with us. As always, our advice is always free, and we'd be only too happy to hear from you. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.